Yo guys, kembali lagi bersama gua Mochi Vanca. Oke, kita akan melanjutkan game yang kemarin tertunda ya. Deliver at all cost. Start game. Oke, ini ya savean gua. Ini berarti udah part yang keempat ya. Gua udah lupa sampai mana ya. Ini tuh, wah, gua udah lupa kemarin ngapain aja ya. Yang gua inget tuh abis nganterin seismograf guys. Yang pendeteksi gempa itu loh ke atas gunung. Oh, sama nganterin ini ya. Kemarin tuh patung barunya dari di ini nih, Mayor nih. Tapi mau ngeberesin itu kita belum nemu orangnya, guys. Tapi kita nyarinya kemana ya, guys? Tapi kita quest dulu aja kali ya. Nanti kalau misalkan kita masih ada sisa waktu, baru kita lanjutkan untuk mencari si Mayor kali ya. Gitu aja kali ya. Yes, kita buka radio. Chat I ya. Oke, kita disuruh ke We Deliver. Lewat sini aja lah, guys. Jalannya lebih luas. Hampir kelewat. Baru aja sehari nggak main ya. Udah lupa aja. Oke.
Mr. Green, Donovan's waiting for you in Harold's office. Or is it Don's office now? Well, I digress. Apparently, the old geezer had some kind of a nervous breakdown. Did you hear?
Harold, and he's the one who writes your paychecks, not Donovan. Show some respect.
My sincerest apologies. If I had known you two were so close.
Dibilang katanya kita deket, guys. Donovan sama siapa ini namanya? Winston ya.
Come in.
We'll have to let more people go, I'm afraid.
I understand, Allison.
Considering the circumstances, the board considers Mr. Johnson at this time.
What circumstances? That's ridiculous. He's worked here for years. Besides, he could do his job in his sleep. Not to be confused by some of the staff who actually sleeps on the job.
I'm just giving you the lay of the land. All the board sees is numbers, Donovan. And the nature of Mr. Johnson's employment makes his quotas difficult.
I need him, Allison. I'm
Suara
asking
yang
you to
dari
reconsider.
telepon
I'll try.
di gue emang nggak kedengeran ya.
Gotta go.
Kecil banget suaranya.
Talk soon.
Let's get down to brass tacks. There's something off about you, kid. I just know it.
What the hell are you talking about, Donovan?
You've been here, what, 7, 8 months now?
What of it?
I've been doing the rounds, so to speak, asking questions about you. No one seems to know a damn thing about you. Not even Norman. And you two seem to be getting on like a house on fire.
Are you jealous?
Careful, Winston. How come a man such as yourself finds himself as a glorified paperboy so far from home?
Why do you care? I fail to see how that's any of your business.
That's where you're wrong, Winston. Let me explain. I'm not a kind man, but I am a motivated man. As a businessman, I'll do what needs to be done to fix this company. I will get rid of the obstacles, the wastage, the inefficiencies. And as it stands, I'm in the difficult position of having to let people go. People I trust. You may be clever, and a good courier even. Oh, but I trust you about as much as a penguin trusts a shark as a swimming buddy.
You seem to be a little confused. So, let me help you out. I don't work for you, Donovan. I work for Harold.
Oh, believe me, that's been made abundantly clear to me. But for how long? And then what? An opportunity came across my desk some time ago. Initially, I deemed it too fraught with risk, hardly worth it. However, certain undesirable events has left me to reconsider. That can't be helped, of course. A man does what he has to retain what's rightfully his. Wouldn't you agree? Now, get the hell out of my office.
Hmm. Maksudnya gimana guys? Dikeluarin atau gimana? Gua nggak paham.
Packed and ready for tomorrow. But before that, Winston, I will go out and start the fire.
Huh, okay.
Radio me when you're ready.
Oh, cuman disuruh ini aja, kirim barang, tugas baru kali ya. Gua kira dipecat ya. Oke.
Got another delivery for me?
Gimana? Ini udah naik nih.
Do you see these, Winston? These are flyers advertising those big mainland companies. With the highways soon to open, they are preparing to come in here and pouch our customers. They plan on airdropping these all over town today, on a Sunday, can you imagine? Listen to me, Winston. I refuse to take this lying down. You are to collect as many of these as possible before they are delivered to people. Bring them back here, to me, you understand?
Disuruh ngambilin barang-barang
But remember, no
barusan.
dropping them. Round them all up in one sweep or make
It-
several trips. Your
Wah.
call, Winston. Just make sure it's efficient.
Di waktu guys. Oh, I see. Ngalangin. Alah. Do not dropping them. Oh, jadi maksudnya. Oke. Terus?
Faster, Winston. I need you to work faster.
Iya.
Feed those to the fire and then get back out there and collect more.
Pesawatnya di sono no. Oh, ganti-ganti lokasi guys. Oke. Ini ada satu. Cuma bisa ambil satu-satu nggak sih? Ah, udahlah. Kita anterin aja langsung. Ada 4 lokasi ya. Kita lanjut lagi.
I hear the planes overhead. They are coming back around for another volley.
Awas. Ya, jatuh. Oke, dapat. Mundur. Sah. Oke, maju. Wih, kayaknya gue udah tambah jago nih nyetir di sini, guys. Up.
My bad.
Satu lagi. Wah, di mana tuh? Kesini kah? Oke, betul. Ada di mana itu? Oke. Ini.
I have as many as I need now.
Oke.
Turn 'em in.
Wah. Ya. Aduh. Supirnya terbang, guys.
Winston, they've shifted their angle of attack.
Lah, masih lanjut.
They are flying towards the steps. Chase after them.
Oke, masih
I bet
lanjut.
they plan on drenching all of Main
Lewat
Street
sini
in
aja.
ambulance next.
Oke. Kita kemana lagi? Ini. Nah guys,
There. Do you
baru
see
aja
them?
mau
They're
cerita.
about to begin dropping their leaflets. Drop me off by the footbridge, then get out there and start catching flyers. Damn.
Gimana tuh? Oke, kesini ya.
What's your problem?
Ya. Nih. Ya. Kelewatan kah? Kita ke atas. Ya, sorry. Nah, sini. Karakter kita terbang, guys.
Go out there and collect those flyers.
Oh, pasang api dulu. Terus kita tunggu paketnya di sini. Kalau kita tidak udah di lokasinya tadi sih cepat ya turunnya. Nah, lah, kok hancur? Ya, nah,
Included in purchases above. Winston, you better be catching every one of these leaflets, you hear? Good. Now get back out there and collect another batch.
ya, itu udah keburu jatuh. Lokasinya baru lagi, guys. Ayo, up. Aduh. Oke, dapat. Kita lanjut. Bakar dari sini bisa? Ya, enggak, harus naik, guys. Itu aja kali ya.
Just a scratch.
Hurry up, Winston! I won't let my company flounder because of some garish coupons.
Wah. Pindah, guys. Mana tuh? Sono.
We've got news for you. Introducing Hairamatic, sensational solution
Oke.
to all your hair loss worries. Imagine
Lanjut
yourself
lagi.
swimming along the beach. Wind
Wah, harus cepet, guys.
luscious locks, and the world
Sisa 50 detik doang.
liquid afforded. That's
Wah, curiga gagal nih. Jangan sampai.
side effects
Up.
may include increased attention from admirers and jealousy.
Gitu aja. Ya, jangan pindah dulu.
Raising transformation.
Itu depan lurus. Wah, nggak dapet, guys. Wah, pindah. Lah. Wah, kemana itu pindahnya? Wah, gagal, guys.
Whoops.
10 detik. Ayo. Hup.
I have as many as I need now.
3
Time
detik,
to turn them
2
in.
detik. Ya, itu udah
Forget it,
deket
Winston. It's no
banget.
use. The town is already inundated with leaflets and posters.
Ah, itu udah deket banget.
I have as many as I need now. Time to
Kayaknya
turn
ini
them in.
baru misi pertama yang gagal deh. Sebelum-sebelumnya nggak ada yang gagal. Wah, jalannya miring, guys. Wah, itu nggak bisa diambil. Oke, dapat. Tak. Gimana sih api? Oh, ini. Oke. Wah, menghalang. Nah. Oke, lanjut. Hampir ketabrak nggak tuh? Wah, jalanannya miring, guys. Sono. Wah, di mana coba? Oh, ini. Oke. Ayo, 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 ayo. Oh, di sini. Deket, guys. Aduh, gimana sih? Nah. Oke. Mundur. Hup. Maju. Ini dekat nih.
I have as many as I need now.
Nah,
Turn them
dah,
in.
kayaknya pindah lagi deh. Gue curiganya gitu ya.
Look at them turning tail and running. Wait, they aren't turning back. They are headed for the boardwalk.
Noh, kan? Masih lanjut kita, guys. Masih
Winston,
belok-belok
we
nih.
have to get to Pacifica Boardwalk. Go, go!
Oke, ke sini panahnya. Kita lanjut lagi.
There they
Nah,
are. Drop me off down by the beach. And then I want you to get out there and start gathering handouts for me.
kita ke pantai. Buat bikin apinya kali ya, kayak tadi. Oke. Bakar di mana? Di situ.
What are you waiting
Sekarang
for? Go out there and collect those flyers.
di sini. Apa tuh? Rich people deh. Oke.
Yes,
Dah.
burn. I'll see all of you burn. I'll rid the world of your 2-for-1 coupons and your favorite customer rewards.
Ini ada yang deket nih. Ya.
Hurry, every payload you miss means we lose another customer.
Oke, lanjut. Bisa langsung dua, guys. Pindah. Di mana lagi? Oh, itu. Loh. Nih. Oke. Tiga nggak?
Just throw those on the bonfire.
Satu lagi. Itu.
Jeez. I have as many as I need now. Time to turn them in.
Nah. Bisa langsung 3, guys. Tahu gitu diberesin dari awal.
Yes! Look at them turning tail and leaving. Seems like they finally realized it was pointless.
Pindah lagi nih. Oh enggak.
You know, Winston, many of the greatest generals of history came from humble beginnings.
Nah, gua
It was
taunya
through
pas di
the demand of
akhir
command that they showed their mettle.
bisa ditumpuk
It's the
begitu.
same way with me, Winston. I didn't know I possessed this tactical genius until I needed it.
Oops.
Oke, dah beres. Dapat duit. Oh, langsung kita ke misi berikutnya. Enter with deliver. Oke. Ini ngapain orangnya bergantung di situ? Waduh. Nah guys, kemarin kan gua upload tuh. Nah akhirnya ya gua mendapatkan viewer pertama. Nah kalian tahu siapa viewer pertama gua? Udah jelas dong. Tidak lain tidak bukan adalah istri gua sendiri. Ya itulah support system guys. Nah ada masukan juga nih dari istri gua. Katanya lu kebanyakan ini ngomong guys. Oh iya sorry, nanti gua coba kurang-kurangin dah. Terus sama ini katanya masukannya video lu ini plain banget, nggak ada tulisan apa-apa, kasih deskripsi lah gitu. Akhirnya ya udah, gua kasih deskripsi itu ya, mau itu deskripsi profile dan deskripsi ini ya, apa sih namanya, videonya. Nah selain itu juga ya udah, gue sekalian aja pasang foto ya, pasang foto sama latarnya kali ya, background itu gue tambahin juga ya, seadanya dulu guys. Nanti kalau misalkan rame baru gue niat lah. Ini kayaknya gaji berikutnya gue mau spend money untuk ini deh. Yang pertama itu untuk memori ya, gue tambah memori karena ya memorinya ini kecil banget guys, laptop ini cuman 500-an lah, 512 ya kalau nggak salah SSD-nya. Jadi gue mau tambah ya. Terus gue mau beli mic kali ya, karena apa ya, kurang enak aja didengar gitu, karena mulut gue deket banget nih sama apa ini namanya, sama mic-nya. Karena gue pakai headphone guys, jadi mic-nya juga pakai mic dari headphone. Dan gue belum cantumin headphone-nya ya, karena gue belum lihat bukan spesifikasi sih, mereknya apa ya. Yang jelas dari Fantech sih mereknya, cuman untuk tipenya gue belum lihat. Tapi nanti kalau misalkan beres record ini, gue coba lihat dah tipenya apa, baru gue cantumin di situ. Nah untuk facecam sendiri sih gue udah sebutin belum ya kemarin, tapi gue omongin aja ya. Untuk facecam sih rencana gue pakai yang ada di laptop aja dulu kali ya. Kalau misalkan gue pakai facecam, emang sih ada rencana ya untuk buka facecam, cuman nantilah pas kita main game horror aja guys, biar seru aja. Karena kalau game horror tuh yang dilihat sama penonton kan muka kita ya, muka kita lagi ketakutan atau kaget atau lagi serius banget nih gitu, takutnya di jump scare. Biasanya gitu ya. Lah, biasanya ganti baju dulu ini. Langsung otomatis ganti baju. Gitu.
The occasional crimson drops were smeared like oil paint on the dusky green
Kita lanjut masa lalu Winston lagi nih.
Treaded lightly, eyes fixed on the ground, tracking like a hunter. Darn. Must be close now. I'm sorry, little one. Determined, I peered off.
Dia jago tembak ya berarti dari kecil.
As I took aim, it sat down and looked straight at me. Please look away. You have to do this. Breathe, Winston. And so I closed my eyes and took a deep breath. And then I just couldn't.
Ini Fox yang di bayangan dia kemarin kan? Karena Foxnya tuh asalnya memang warna matanya satu warna doang. Nah setelah berkedip baru terlihat dua warna. Nah di situ baru deh kejadian si Winston mengingat kejadian waktu kecilnya ya, disuruh ngebunuh apa itu yang ganggu ayamnya.
One second, please. Let's see. Maybe this one? No. This is embarrassing. What's that doing here? October? November? Wait, November? No, it's December I want. Come on, where are you? December. Ah, there we go. December 16th, the day when everything changed. The
Sian
moment
banget.
of critical mass.
That's quite a big one,
Eh,
huh?
udah beres lagi
Gonna need
tuh
to hire a
kasurnya.
carpenter and a decorator by the look of it. Wow, look at that crack. You see that, Wesley? Well, folks, such is the island life, eh? Not to worry. Just a little shake to get us going. Nothing like some soothing music to calm the nerves.
Oh, ini chapter-chapternya gue baru lihat lagi. Ini kita udah di chapter 4 ya. Kemarin nih Brass Attack kan. Berarti selanjutnya kita ini lagi masuk ke chapter 5 ya. Ini ada berapa chapter ya? Kita use workshop. Ah, gitu. Oke, berarti kita nggak perlu masukin mobilnya juga ya. Di sini juga kita bisa pasang. Cuman ya itu, bahan-bahannya. Kita belum menemukan sama sekali chest ya guys. Aduh, di mana coba kita temukan itu chest? Oke. We deliver. Oke. Critical Mass. Ini chapter 5 ya berarti.
Hey there, gents. Do ladies giggle when you flex? With Mighty Max
Nggak ada subtitle kan? Eh, bukan di sini. Rencananya ya, gue nyari doppelganger si Mayor tuh. Siapa tahu di tempat teropong-teropong itu kan tempat tinggi ya. Itu bisa lihat banyak hal lah, banyak orang ya. Nah di sini ya. Nah siapa tahu gitu kita bisa ngelihat langsung doppelgangernya, terus beresin deh questnya. Cuman masalahnya kita kebanyakan blueprint, tapi nggak dapat chest untuk bahannya itu loh. Agak cukup sulit ya nyari chest. Atau siapa tahu chestnya respawn gitu. Enggak guys, kita harus benar-benar nyari berarti. Tapi kita perhatiin coba ya di atas lagi, siapa tahu ada. Ganti perspektif, nggak ada. Oke. Ini siapa? Oh, work. Ganti perspektif lagi, nggak ada. Yes, kita langsung lanjut saja ke quest.
Harold?
Over here, Winston.
What do you want? Where's Harold? I thought he'd be back today.
We have something to discuss.
And? What would that be?
You've read the news, I take it?
No. Why?
Well, we're at a watershed. We have to cut more people. Perhaps soon it's just you and me left. And if that's not the epitome of...
Bentar guys, ada keperluan mendadak. Oke guys, I'm back. Sorry guys, kita lanjut dulu.
I don't know what it is.
Wait, you're kidding. We just let Roger go. Week before that.
Yeah,
Ini udah record kan? Dah, oke, lanjut lagi.
Perfectly aware of what's what and who's who, seeing as I let them go.
For the love of...
Norman.
What, Norman? No, that can't be.
Not my decision. Did you know Norman used to work full-time logistics, but then started to help wherever he's needed? Which means his quotas are all over the place. Even though he probably is the most valuable and hardworking employee I have. A company can't survive solely on sunshine, lollipops, and rainbows, Winston.
Who gives a shit? Is the board's only goddamn interest the bottom line?
But as hard as it is for me to admit, in this particular instance, yes, we agree. Being idiots. Look, we both know what we think of each other, and that's not gonna change. But we both like Norman, correct?
Correct.
Then perhaps there's still a chance.
How do you mean?
There's competitive bidding on a substantial contract by a big player up in New Reed. The winner will dominate the Western Seaboard between here and there. And you can take that to the bank. As it happens, that insufferable fool just in time who's been pestering this island with his presence for far too long, is our biggest competitor.
What would you want me to do then?
First, pick up Norman from the train station. He's returning from a business trip up in New Reed. Stop by my office afterwards.
Ada apa sama Norman, guys? Gua nggak begitu paham. Go outside. Sorry guys, barusan istri gua ada perlu nih. Ada panggilan alam.
Hey, Mr. Green.
Nah,
Got
si
a minute?
kecil
Yeah?
belum juga tidur.
Could you drop
Jadi
me
dititip
off
ke
on the
gua dulu,
way?
jadi gua pause dulu. Sorry banget ya
Have a
guys.
thing to take care of.
Sure. Why not?
Tapi mungkin kedepannya
Appreciate
bakal ada juga sih kejadian-kejadian kayak begitu. Jadi gua minta maaf lagi dari sekarang ya.
Train station, please.
Changing sides?
Eh?
Far from it.
Ah udah,
Don't
gue lebih
worry
suka
about it,
shortcut.
Winston.
Uh-huh.
Lanjut lagi. Loncat lagi. Di sini. Oh, train station ya. Kok panahnya ke situ? Wait. Ah, udahlah.
Well, thanks for the ride. See you later.
What the hell is he up to? Hey,
Hey, man. What's with the long face?
it's nothing. I just...
Want to talk?
Thanks, but I'd rather just get this day over with, you know?
Go to we deliver. Oke, kita disuruh jemput toh. Dikirain mau kemana dulu. Lalalalalalala. Ada apa dengan Norman, guys?
Thanks for picking me up, Winnie.
Speak later?
Sure.
Enter we deliver. Kita balik lagi. Ngobrol lagi sama Novan kah? Udah juga guys. Gua nggak biasa nih. Main
What's
cuman
this?
satu
I'm on an urgent
tangan.
errand. I trust I made myself clear this morning, Winston.
Nggak tahu kan,
Everything
gue
depends
pengen
on it.
banget main dua
You'll
tangan
find what
gitu.
you need to know on the order form.
Thank you for being here today, Doctor. Will you be so kind as to introduce yourself?
Dr. Julia Clark, sir, clinical forensic psychologist. Before I begin, I must stress that I've had no professional involvement with Mr. Green. This is strictly an outsider's theories based on over 20 years of professional experience.
Mr. Green. Mr. Green yang dimaksud? Mr. Green yang dimaksud? Winston kah? Atau bapaknya kah? Psychologist? Wah, ini nyeritain tentang Winston kayaknya.
I've got the drop-off point in my sights.
Roger that, Hermes. Complete the mission and return to base. Hermes, be advised. We have a possible bogey in your area. There is a small shop in your area that isn't handling the competition. Keep an eye out for any disgruntled employee.
Do we think that Mr. Green was explicitly ordered to sabotage the other couriers? Either way, Mr. Green vowed that not a single delivery would be completed by Just-in-Time's firm that day.
Call the cops!
Of course, I am sabotage.
I need to give that courier's flatbed cage a little remodeling. Yeah, maybe some loving smashes from my car's nose will do the trick. Cracking it open for an easy parcel heist with the crane.
Hey, what's the big idea? That delivery's mine to make.
Sabotage. Buset, buset, buset.
Oh my, that was quick. I just heard that my original delivery was delayed, and that is when I called you. I suppose I should know better than to trust any new company with managing my deliveries.
Perhaps he convinced
Itu
himself to
cepat.
take on the role of a particular
Tapi
Avenger
rumah
to
dia
save his
hancur,
colony?
guys.
Or was he confused enough to mistake some hint from his boss as a carte blanche to act the way he did?
Ooh, yikes.
Ini tuh apa? Winston lagi dites atau gimana?
Delphi Central, this is Helio. I'm eastbound currently, entering Port Bell.
Roger that. Helio, please be advised we have a down driver in your area.
Oh, I know Delphi, and I'm gonna find the one that drove my brother's ride down.
Wah,
Don't
gimana
be a
nih?
hero, Helio. Focus on the delivery.
Oh, oke. Berarti mobil yang nggak tahu jalan, guys. Udah mau finish lagi dia. Oh, ini lewat sini. Awas lu. Wah. Ya, udah nyampe, guys. Telat kita.
Here you go. And remember, never late, never early, just in time.
Oh, si Just in Time tuh kompetitor, guys.
Just a scratch.
Oke.
I'm gunning for him.
Wih, ada dua.
Delphi Central, I bumped into the other outfit. They're muscling in on our turf.
Watch out!
Hey, he's stealing the parcel. You're not slipping away this time.
Makanya bisa jatuh ya, guys.
I'm gunning for him.
Cute. Wah.
Well, I be
Ini sih.
darned. With all
Chaos,
those new
ya.
companies making all kinds of promises. But then they tell me they lost my order for some reason. I'd be in big trouble if you hadn't shown up with this. You tell your boss I'll stick with you guys from now on. I won't deal with Mr. Time anymore.
Bukan lo sih. Nggak salah sih lo.
By his heartless boss.
Itu dicuri. Ayo kita lanjut lagi. Aduh, gua masih kepikiran itu dapat dari mana ya.
Delphi Central, this is Jason. How's it looking out there?
Dijagain banyak mobil ya.
Abort. I repeat, abort. The drop-off zone is hot. I repeat, hot. I can't send you in.
This is Pollux. You don't need to worry, Delphi.
Yeah, Jason ain't delivering this on his own. He's got company. We're gonna put a stop to this road-raging courier and his tractor. Cast her out.
I will ram him with everything I've got.
Whoops.
Ya. Oke. Aman. Lanjut terus. Wah, mobil belakang ngejar terus, guys. Ini kah? Oke.
Delphi Central spotted the competition. They're eyeing our parcel.
Lah. Didorong. Wah, ngulangnya jauh juga. Waduh. Ini agak sulit ya.
I will ram him with everything I've got.
Wah. Benerin dulu. Oke. Mobilnya masih hidup. Lanjut terus. Itu kayak peti, guys. Barusan. Wah. Harus dicek tuh. Lah 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 lah. Hampir ngulang. Ini kalau meledak ngulang ini.
Delphi Central spotted the competition. They're eyeing our parcel.
Wah, bannya.
Thought you could pull a fast one, eh?
Dapat
Not on my
guys.
watch. I'm gunning for him.
So glad you had these in stock. I just found out my previous seller messed up their transport.
Dapat guys. Ya, kita yang menang. Kita disuruh kemana lagi nih? Tapi bentar guys. Ini ada duit. Ambil dulu nggak sih? Terus gua kayak lihat tadi sekilas mirip banget sama ini guys. Mobil ternyata. Kita ada duit tapi ya udahlah. Kita quest dulu. Lama. Ulang lagi.
Doggy paddle technique won't help me here.
Chest tuh dapat dari mana sih guys? Wah, kalau stuck mencet apa sih? Gue lupa lagi. Ya, kalau stuck mencet apa ya? Oke, vision control. Uncam. Oke. Oke. Sevilla Walk. Udah sempat kesini belum sih?
Hercules, come in, Hercules.
Hercules here, Delphi Central. We're coming up on the target.
Oke, kita sabotase lagi
Be
guys.
careful out there, Big H.
Itu
Some of the
paket
guns
kita
know
guys,
a
bukan
lot
dia.
of the delivery boys. This is the last delivery of the day. This needs to be
Oh, the last, okay.
Affirmative, Delphi. We've pulled out all the stops for this one. This renegade is about to find out how real delivery service deals with things.
Nah, rombongannya udah ketemu. Tapi finishnya di mana ya?
Delphi Central, we've got company.
Gak bisa dibikin nyebur kayak tadi ya guys. Lah. Kok keluar mobil? Salah pencet guys. Maju lagi. Wah, mendapat. Gila. Ditabrak langsung guys. Kena mesin. Langsung meledak. Udahlah, gua udah nggak peduli lah. Emang gamenya begini guys. Tabrak saja. Gila ya. Nabraknya langsung ke mesin mereka. Oke. Kita cegah di sini. Wah. Kok bisa guys? Harus dibuka. Cara bukanya dan cara bukanya harus ditabrak. Wah, mesinnya udah kebakar. Nggak ada tenaga buat nabrak guys. Wah, Buset, ini. Wah, gamenya makin susah ya.
Never late, never early, just in time.
Wah, gamenya makin lama makin susah ya. Loh, kok nggak bisa dikeluarin? Loh. Nah. Oke. Sorry. Salah pencet. Oh, kita bisa pancing dulu. Wah, ini harus benerin ban, tapi gimana caranya coba? Oke, kita udah tahan. Benerin. Wah, chaos ini. Oke, dapat. Wah.
Please, I surrender. Just take the parcel, I don't care.
Damn.
Oke, kita mundur aja, guys. Kayaknya lebih gampang mundur.
I will ram him with everything I've got.
Wah. Nah.
Oh my, from a local business you say? The Royal Palms knows the value of reliability.
Gila, gua gagal berapa kali tadi, guys.
Business from us in the future.
Tapi akhirnya beres juga ya. Cuman tadi gue baca satu chapter. Iya bener, satu chapter tuh ada 3 misi ya. Mau kita beresin gak sih? Kalau ada waktu kita langsung beresin 3. Enter we deliver. Oke, kita balik, guys. Kayaknya ini Donovan suka ini. Cuman kayaknya entah ada hubungannya sama Norman kah? Karena sama Norman kita belum ngobrol barusan. Karena dia bilang talk later. Ini emang game menantang sekali ya, dan nggak biasa gitu gamenya. Nggak tahu emang gue aja nih yang jarang main game ya. Oke, kita shortcut saja. Ini gue udah sembarangan banget bawa mobil sekarang.
What I asked you for, Victus.
To be honest, you weren't exactly big on details.
Oh, for Christ's sakes, Gordon.
Perhaps you should be a bit more descriptive next time, then. This reminds me of when your mother...
Don't.
Meant no offense, Don. Simply stating facts. I have always had your back. Even when Harold should have. Trust me, you need to go see for yourself. Remember, you came to me with this.
Kayaknya banyak yang gak suka sama Donovan ya.
Winston, my office.
Banyak yang gak suka sama Donovan
Mr.
berarti.
Green, got a minute? Oh, too bad about just in time, huh?
What are you on about?
Oh, you haven't heard. Police paid his office a visit, apparently after an anonymous tip. Guess old Justin was running some sort of smuggler's ring or something. Who would have known? Funny how things work out sometimes, huh? Anyways, you heard the man. Talk to you later.
Maksudnya apa nih? Itu kan seragam We Deliver ya?
Come in.
It's done.
My father really is enamored of this island. Personally, I can't stand it. Yeah, it's either a clammy hothouse or a complete toad strangler. Not to mention the damn earthquakes.
Very fascinating. Look, about Norman.
I wonder if I've been unfair. Trying to make him see.
Hello?
Maybe emptying his locker? I don't know. The board made the decision to let him go a while back.
This morning? You knew? You bastard. He has a family. Do you even care? Can I help you, Peeping Tom?
Oh, don't mind me.
You look me in the eye and tell me you did everything in your power to help him.
I don't answer to you. Besides, if I were you, I'd worry about myself.
You don't have any damn scruples, have you?
Bye now, Mr. Green.
I did fight for him.
Norman.
I need to find Norman. I should check the locker room.
Norman dikeluarin, guys. Wah, kasian banget. Mana kita diliatin ada keluarganya ya.
Well, the details are scarce right now, Sharon. But considering the severity of this morning's quakes, people are getting pretty riled up. I mean, some people have already packed their bags. Now, it's not the first time over the years that Callahan has shown its temper. But there is not, I repeat, there is not an official statement as of
Mungkin di sini ya, Winston berubah jadi orang yang pemarah.
Until the mayor's press conference this evening, I would advise people to stay calm.
Well, you heard the lady. Keep your socks on and stay tuned. Now a commercial.
Soalnya di sinopsisnya dia tuh orang yang gampang marah. Sedangkan kita belum dilihat, diperlihatkan lah si Winston ini mudah marah. Baru sekarang ini nih, karena sering banget nih berseteru sama si Donovan.
Everybody needs to stay calm. Yes, you ma'am in the orange sweater.
Mr. Mayor, are you seriously suggesting that we just sit tight and wait while you people get your... Oh God!
Ketiduran.
What is it? Oh, God! Help! Okay. I'm fine. Sort of. What the? We Deliver's totally trashed. Now Callahan. I have to find a way out.
I have to find a way out. Oke. Kita disuruh parkur kah? Tapi kayaknya oh, bisa. Oke. Kita disuruh parkur. Kebakar, guys. Ini apa nih? Kuning-kuning. Oke, kan benar. Loh. Oh, tadi kan manjat ya. Oh, bisa didorong, guys. Dah. Oke, kita lanjut keluar.
Harold, I hope you're safe. I'd better hurry home to get my stuff before it's too late. Norman, your analysis was not exactly spot on.
Oh, it's active for sure. Gives us a good shake of the other year or so. But there hasn't been a large eruption in recorded history, so what are the chances it happens right now, right?
It's seems they are pretty damn high. Oops.
Tapi ini orang-orang santai aja di jalan. Kelewat. Sekalian ambil duit ya. Nggak dapet juga. Ya udahlah. Bencana guys. Gunungnya mau meledak. Ini ada apa? Kudus gembel. Ada percikan-percikan api. Sorry guys. Ya, di sini harusnya. Bukan. Wah. Oh, masih ke bawah guys. Lanjut lagi. Nah, ini baru belok. Iya ya. Biasakan melihat panah. Wih, kebuka guys. Ada yang masuk kah? Winston's apartment.
The Atomic Energy Commission? Your reckless behavior caused great harm to this bureau? I freaking knew it, but still doesn't explain what happened there. Okay, time to. What the? You!
Kena guys.
Breaking into my home? Now? Have you lost your mind?
Jesus Christ!
In case you failed to notice, there's an eruption!
I was right about you all along.
Wait, right about me? Oh, you're just a presumptuous, bigoted piece of shit!
Screw you, Winston. You don't get to judge me. You don't think I do background checks on our employees? You take me for a complete idiot? How come there's no record of a Winston Green, huh?
Tapi nggak gitu caranya, guys.
Thing. However, there's a Winston Booker. Yeah, that's right. Donnie Boy's been a good little student. The infamous New Reed University incident. I told you, I recognized you from somewhere. Except for dropping the nerdy glasses and gaining a couple of pounds, you look exactly like in the paper. The genius engineer who, if you believe the tinfoil hatters at least, made a whole laboratory magically disappear. And then dropped off the face of the earth. I mean, my God, Winston. I couldn't even make this shit up at gunpoint.
What the hell do you want from me?
Wake up, kid. You're a fugitive. I want you to disappear again. Crawl back into the sewer you came from. And leave my family out of whatever shitstorm you've got cooking.
I'm done running. You hear me? Listen.
No, you listen. I'll find out exactly what happened. And in the months ahead, will make you wish I could have fired you.
Donovan! God damn it, Donovan!
Ada telepon lagi bencana begini.
Fiona? No. Sorry, Fiona. No, it's not you. No. Everything's just. Oh, God damn it.
Fiona siapa lagi nih, guys?
Whoa. What do you mean he never came home? Shit. Wait. I have an idea of where he went.
Jangan-jangan.
No, don't worry.
Norman.
Hey, listen, can you get to the bridge? Great. Go with them. We'll meet you there. Be careful.
Oke. Kita ke bridge ya. Wah. Ini sih kompleks ya ceritanya.
Okay, hold on, pal. I'm coming for you. Everything's gonna be just fine. You must have gone to the lookout point where you proposed.
Udah pakai mobil gini aja.
No time to waste. I've got to go after him.
Kenapa nih?
You gotta be kidding me.
Serius?
Oh, just screw it.
Ntar. Chapter terakhir kah?
I need to hurry.
Gak mungkin.
Come on, Winston. Come on.
Gak mungkin ini akhir chapter. Tapi apartemen guys. Paling dibenerin lagi sih nanti. Soalnya gameplaynya guys. Seingat gua kalau pengen tamatin tuh berapa menit ya? Lupa gua. 18 ya? Dan ini gue baru berapa? Kok berapa menit sih? Jam. 18 jam ya guys untuk tamatin.
No time to think about that now.
Dan ini gue baru 4 part. Tapi part ini kayaknya bakal lebih lama ya guys, karena gue rencana mau beresin satu chapter pas gitu, tiga apa ya, sub chapter ya, kita sebut sub chapter aja. Itu ada 3 dan gue mau beresin aja kayak gitu ya. Oke. Ya, nggak bisa shortcut guys. Ini nih shortcut sih, inget gue. Lama sesat. Udahlah, paling benar ikut jalan. Tapi ini mobil goyang-goyang guys. Naik turun. No, loncat karena gempa. Nah, kesini ya. Oke. No, loncat sendiri. Jadi emang kontrolnya juga susah sih, lumayan. Bentar. Yang sebelumnya nama kontennya menantang maut. Ini namanya apa? Lebih menantang maut lagi guys. Lagi erupsi dia naik ke gunung berapi. Coba. Jangan-jangan orang yang kemarin jangan-jangan benar. Wah, kita nge-winch ini. Ya jangan bersin dulu, tahan aja. Oke. Maju. Oke, aman. Bentar, Norman ngapain di sini?
You sure my wife and children are safe? Fiona and the kids? Do you?
Don't worry. Spoke to her on the phone. We'll meet up at the bridge.
Oh, praise God in heaven. All I can do.
Wah, ini bisa aja ke jurang ini sekali gempa, guys. Wah, anjir. Wah, kan. Ini gue curiga kita ngungsi, guys. Ngerem. Rem. Wah, hampir. Ayo, 3 menit 20. Aman. Wait. Hampir aja.
Winston, you're a true friend, man. Now, let's get the hell out of here.
Susah sih kalau udah loncat di sana. Dia kesel. Winston kesel.
Winston, you're a true friend, man. Now, let's get the hell out of here. I got in my car as soon as I felt the first tremor. That's when I noticed the brakes weren't working.
Jangan sampai loncat daerah sini. Oke, kira rem dikit. Rem dikit. Alamak.
Oh God.
Loncat-loncatnya ini loh. Gempanya ini loh. Bikin repot. Oh. Mana jalannya menukik, mana jurang juga. Wah, gila sih. Makin lama ini game makin susah guys. Gue nggak tahu kedepannya ini kalau ada lanjutannya. Ini sesusah apa ini? Wah, gila sih. Ini meledak lagi nih pasti. Wah. Gimana ya, guys? Nggak usah di throttle kali ya, kita sambil rem-rem aja. Akhirnya. Oke, jangan senang dulu. Ke sini. Ini juga sama. Hati-hati. Oke, di sini jurang lagi. Untung nggak pas belok ya loncatnya. Meskipun di waktu ini harusnya sempat sih. Gila, kayaknya makin parah. Oh, ini jalannya nggak rata ya, kalau nggak salah. Yang naik turun itu bukan sih? Nah, kan iya betul. Ngapain tuh?
Crap, traffic jam. Of course. Screw this. Hold on.
Gua tahu maksud lu.
Sorry about today.
Yeah. Thing is,
Bukan about today sih. Lu tiap hari nabrakin orang.
I've been meaning to tell you.
Gila.
Donovan offered me to help out with the new project he's aiming to convince the board about. Guess that's out the window now, though.
Meteor. Meteor. Ya, batu hasil erupsi lagi.
Harold's childhood home. He insisted I use it when we got here. You know Harold. Oh God, Harold.
I didn't see him at the office. I was in such a hurry I didn't think to look. Hey, I'm sure he's fine, right?
Udah sampai kah? Wah. Palmer?
Oh, thank God. You're okay.
Karirnya rungkat. One year later. Wah, udah 1 jam video. Gimana kita ini? Berarti kita nggak melewatkan banyak hal, guys.
I'm sure most of you remember when Shellington was all anyone could ever talk about. For years, this charming little hamlet was the go-to vacation spot for the well-to-do. Here, they'd unwind amidst nature's wonders, hike through the evergreen forests, or try out the state-of-the-art golf course. All this while enjoying the cool and gentle mountain breeze coming down over Lake Shelsby. However, with the arrival of a brand new highway, the town went from 0 to 60 in no time. Young lovebirds flocked here, yearning to start their own families. Shellington whispered promises of the American dream, a life of leisure and solitude. However, one of Shellington's citizens seemed unable to catch a break. You see, after the tragic eruption of Mount Callahan, Winston was one of the many who was forced to relocate from the island. He was, shall we say, encouraged to keep his job, which didn't exactly do wonders for his temperament or overall disposition. Having suffered the slings and arrows of fate, not seeing any hope for tomorrow, and evidently not caring either, Winston succumbed to the most revolting of human temperaments, self-pity. He forgot that there lies in every American the potential, no, the duty to pull themselves up by their bootstraps.
Iya guys, mulai dari sini dia baru jadi pemarah. Dan pengangguran. Oke guys, sampai sini dulu aja ya untuk video kali ini, karena ini udah sejam lebih. Ya, ini udah kelamaan. Paling di next video kita akan lanjutkan di chapter yang baru. Mungkin gitu aja kali ya. Untuk setiap videonya kita bereskan satu chapter aja kali ya. Tapi kalau misalkan satu chapter yang memang terlalu sebentar, mungkin kita akan lanjutkan sedikit, atau bisa dengan opsi kita explore, yaitu tadi lah peti-peti itu ya. Karena kita dari map yang sebelumnya udah ketinggalan lumayan banyak sih guys. Kalau misalkan kita nggak bisa balik lagi ke yang sebelumnya, map yang sebelumnya, itu banyak banget pasti peti. Karena kita ini lihat belum bisa apa ini namanya. Ya workshop lah. Jadi ya ditunggu aja konten di hari esok. Sampai ketemu lagi. Thanks for watching.